Thank you, Chaman sir, for giving us this opportunity. I'm from team A. We are talking about advantages of AI. Firstly, I explain what is AI. AI means intelligence in a machine. I'll explain simply what is AI. AI is everywhere where is a smart device. If you get a mobile phone, when you type A on the display, it will display the letter A. It is a such type of artificial intelligence, and there are two types of AI as strong AIs and weak AIs. Strong AIs means they can think themselves, but weak AI can't. So weak AIs are used in everywhere. In some industries, we are using weak AIs. We use weak AI to produce tasks. When we give them the data, they do our task. I think you got an idea about AI. So there are lots of advantages of AI. In some industries, we are using AI in making, manufacturing, in healthcare, and etc. Bindu will explain about industries. So I'll give him chance to.
Good morning, all of you. First, I want to take permission from dear judges and my dear class teacher and my dear parents and my friends. You are permission to talk about artificial intelligence. I am from Disadvantage School. Firstly, I want to tell about what is AI. AI means computer system that perform their task in hypothetically required humans intelligence. For example, learning from experience and solving problems. When taking examples for solving experience, there are many experience. If a baby touch a fire, he gets hurt. If he didn't touch it again because he know it is fire, it get me harmful, then he know that it is very harmful for him. That's like human artificial intelligence. That's my opinion. Then thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Good evening. Artificial intelligence, AI. These topics short period of time. Robots can make things smoothly, accuracy like that, but human can't. But people make one car in company, a robot can no cars make. I'm going to talk about industries. Some industries manufacture, healthcare, agriculture. I will explain one by one. What is healthcare? How agriculture used in healthcare. There are AI technological rooms in healthcare. Robots XY of nurses. They are transport medicines new to doctors and older doctors. Right? So they can scan the body temperature and data can use for doctors. What is manufacture using agriculture? Yeah. Maybe any companies have any companies going to populate environment because since they can make anything fastly and use and smoothly. And how thirdly I talk about how artificial intelligence used in agriculture. We can use drones like that to we can modern plants by them and people can protect by muddy diseases made by muddy parts like that. Yes, I thank you.
Dear chief guest, chief guest, parents and judge team and my friends, good evening all of you. I hope this message you will find. I greatly value your insights and review. Your permission to disadvantage of AI. There are a lot of disadvantages of AI. However, I get one example. One disadvantage is ethics. There are so many ethical disadvantages of AI. However, I get one example. It is security. AI in medical field, AI store the patient's lot of details. When there are the IT, when we get in IT technology, the man is have a lot of things know about AI, and lot of people know hacking. People are when hacking AI technology robots, they get all the information about humans. It's harm to any human in the world. Then when we get in law disadvantages of AI, there are jobs. There are auto vehicles. Then it's the lot of humans jobs will destroy. However, AI technology will harmful to the humans.
It's likely for humans to make mistakes, but computers can avoid making mistakes if it's programmed correctly. And the best thing that ever happened to humans is AI being used in every industry. For an example, I would like to talk about medical field. AI could help make healthcare operations more efficient. Healthcare organizations are using AI to improve the efficiency of all kinds of process from back office tasks to patient care. Healthcare workers spend a lot of time doing paperwork and other tasks, but AI and automation can help perform many of those tasks, freeing up employees one by one and giving them more face-to-face time with patients. For an example, generative AI can help patients with note-taking and content summarization that can help medical records as true as possible. AI could also help with accurate coding and sharing information between departments and giving. One of the most common ways of AI being used in healthcare is of tiny invisible pieces inside your body. Now think of a special camera that takes pictures look like a messy jumble. Medical image analyzing is like having a smart friend who can use computer strips to arrange these jumbled pieces, helping doctors to see and understand what's happening inside your body, almost like solving a mystery puzzle for your health. Thank you.
I'm going to talk about disadvantages of AI. Moreover, there's the ethical dilemma. AI decisions lack the human touch by leading to potential biases in algorithms. This raises questions about accountability and fairness in automated decision-making process. AI heavily relies on the equality and representativeness of training data. An example, if a facial recognition system is trained primarily on data from one demographic, it may perform poorly on other demographics. Thank you. Chance.
Okay, good morning again to all of you. You told that the systems can hack them, hackers can use those files. I think you all have a phone. I think you have lots of secrets in that. It also can hack, but you are using it while knowing it can be hacked. I think hacking of system is unnecessary for a hacker. He hacks only necessary things for him.
This statement you say that hackers do not, it is unnecessary. I think you are wrong. The hackers not need to our personal data. They want money. Then they hack the AI robots. Will they hack? They can. They are speed and accurately. Your team say that they are speed and accurately. If they go to a bank, they can store the whole money. Then they don't need to our personal data.
I kindly request from the audience, please be silent. Your attention is very important. No disturb product maker something. අවධානය යොමු කරන්න මොකද මේ ළමයි this is the first time මෙයා පළවෙනි වතාවට debate එකක් මෙහෙම කරනවා.
Thank you, Osam Sagar. I think you are using phone while you are knowing that can be hacked. I think you use it, but mobile phone is important. Like that, AI systems also very important to make it easier to handle. You told that they have AI for robberies. That's not a problem with the AIs. It's a problem with the man. And there are not only bad hackers, there are ethical hackers. I think the ethical hackers can handle that situation. So I give the chance to Sandaresh to speak.
While he may highlight some benefits, but you must also recognize that there are many risks and many disadvantages. If you hack some Elon Musk new neural net, if if we hack them, we can control their mind. That is a very disadvantage and it is a risk. If we in a thundering period, the thundering must would come to our brain because the nano in our head. Yes.
Yes. The purpose of that chip is handling a smart device by our brain. Then it is connected with the necessary parts of the brain only. Only sensory organs are controlling brain part is not connected to a nano chip. I think it will not get hacked.
Why we get a risk when we want to chip to inside the chip, we want to get operation. Why when we get operation in brain, it is very serious situation. If the operation will get wrong, you will be diagnosed. Yes, sir.
I think when some people say when vehicles are coming, they say that we don't need vehicles because it's very harmful. But now they need vehicles to travel. It is a necessary thing of them. And when aeroplanes comes, they say that they are very risky. But now people are using airplanes. I think this situation is like that.
If we go on a plane, if plane will go to broken, all the people will die. You think there is 100 people, all the 100 people will die. That also a disadvantage. And you say that vehicles is some people say bad thing and after coming they say good things. I think it is also a disadvantage because the polluted air will get the human dying. What's your opinion?
Yes, of course, but they need them. I think you also are going on bus and you are then they are also polluted in such occasions. I think that's people are trying to make it better than using fuels. I think in the future we can drive an electric car on the road.
There are some electric cars also. You can see some Tesla. Some hackers will hack, and you can see the AI robots. Sophia, for example, she says that she would kill all the people in global news channel. He says that. What's your opinion?
I think that's a drama. That's my opinion. I think AI is not a thing to fear. It's only a technological it is only a improvement of the technology. I think we should come up from fictions and use AI in our life. That's my opinion.
I think that Sophia is not a drama. She is a robot AI made by. Now I give chance to opposite.
you told that there is a risk of ending of job opinions, but I think using of AI, job opinions get increased because your job is replaced by a person who knows to handle AI tools. I think there are lots of job opinions in the future. I think there will be a subject on our school to learn about AI. I give chance to the opposite.
Do you think AI robots will any person can buy? Do you think how much is we can't buy it? I think they are like many money cost. Many person, all the person who can't get this AI.
In the past, lots of people didn't get vehicles to travel, but now they get vehicles to travel. I think in the future it will be easy to buy a AI robot. That's my opinion.
I think you are wrong. Many people have no vehicle. They walk into jobs, and every people have no car. They have no money.
No, I didn't mean every people, lots of people.
Yes, lot of people, but they also have some money problems. They can't buy AI robot. If the robots will damage, you can't replace it.
I think world is moving. We have to move with the world. We didn't move. We will live in the Stone Age again. I think we should be changed with the world.
Why we should be trained with the world?
Because when I get an example. A country with a high military force, they attack our country. Then how we protect us when we don't know about military activities? We don't know about guns and then our country will destroy. I think we have to move forward and we have to know about military activities and such activities to use in such occasion.
Texas English College.